Hey guys, Elizabeth here with Gabriel Family Adventures and my special guest today, little guy. And I'm going to talk to you today about the hubcaps on the Tesla Model 3. They're called the Aero Wheels. And the initial design was because they were supposed to be more aerodynamic, more efficient, but a lot of people don't really like the look of them. So I'm going to show you how to take them off if you're not so into them. Okay, so to get the hubcaps off, it's a really simple process. So you just come down here and you just loosen them up. And then once you're able to loosen each section, it just pops off. Super simple. So what you can do is, if you want to have this look, what you can get is you can get some plastic caps so that you can cover the lug nuts, and you can also get a disc right here that has the Tesla logo on it. I'll add a link below to that so you can have those so then it doesn't look like a spare tire. And to put this back on, the only thing you have to do is find this part, because this needs to line up to where the air valve goes in. So just line that up, and you're going to slowly press it back in all the way around until it clicks. Just like that. Then you go wash your hands and you're good to go. So super simple if you don't like the Aero Wheels.